Setting up for pendulum, we want an imprinted spine with our tailbone on the ground. Engage your T-zone as you inhale, lift one leg, exhale, lift the other. Now placing the arms right by your side in the shape of a T, we're going to inhale, engage the T-zone, and then exhale, fold the legs to one side. We're rotating the spine through here, and then we inhale, return. Exhale towards the other side with that slight rotation through the spine, and then inhale, return. Remember to try to keep the ribs tight as you're performing the movement, and each time you return back to the center, make sure you're maintaining that imprinted spine. Now what we don't want to see is our tailbone off the ground. You'll see that the knees are slightly closer. It actually causes the lower back to push into the floor. You start sliding along the mat. If it's a bit tricky to rotate and maintain that pendulum and T-zone, you can just keep both feet on the ground as you complete the same rotations. So keeping the ribs tight, keeping the T-zone engaged. And when you return into the center, you're maintaining an imprinted spine with your tailbone on the ground. If you're happy to progress onto pendulum 2, what you're going to do is prepare your T-zone in the center. Inhale, fold to one side, and then exhale, extend the top leg as you return it back into the center. Still maintaining that imprinted spine and T-zone and ribs nice and tight. You fold on your inhale, and then exhale, extend the top leg and return. Once again, inhale, fold, exhale, extend and return.